Good afternoon, my dear children. As we are seeing Sports Star, for today's class, we are going to see a player from the sport called Kabaddi. So, do you remember the last player which we have learned already in the class? Yes, she is a Mithali Raj, who is a captain of women cricket team in India. For today, we are going to learn the next player, Usha Rani, who is born and brought up in Bangalore, and she is now working as Copcom Kabaddi champion, as well as she grown up in the slum area. So very interestingly, we can say that Usha Rani is a Kabaddi champion. She is rose from Santi town of Subhedrapalaya in Yeshwantpur near Bengaluru in Karnataka district. Sorry, state. You know what? She was dream fulfiller of her mother. Her mother was an athlete who wanted to become a big sports star, but she could not become so because of some injury in the school days. She could not become a sports star, but when Usha Rani was grown up, she wanted to fulfill her mother's dream. So she want to be a sports star to fulfill her mother's dream. So now she became determined and practiced kabaddi at the Kantirava Stadium every morning, even if it is raining or shining. So she wants to practice. You know, she was a school child. She grew up watching kabaddi at club in front of her house. Just she was standing and watching the kabaddi. But soon she joined the club and started playing kabaddi at national level in sub junior category. You know what? As I told already, she grown up in the slum area. Slum means where there is no any facility, basic facility. For example, there is no big house with facilitations, or there is no money for food, proper cloth, proper house. The basic facility is not there for Usarani, but whenever she was not playing, she was the source of support to her parents. She wants to help her whatever she could able to do. Even if she was a child, she could able to sell flowers for her daily living, and she had to struggle all through her life because her father and mother also were struggling to earn money. So she wants to help as a flowers flower seller. So now, in later she got a job in Karnataka State Police Force. She was selected as a police person for her excellence in sports and was the youngest in the Karnataka State Police women in the Kabaddi team. She was very youngest from all other women, and she was selected as a police as well as in the she was youngest in Kabaddi team. Now she was just 29 years old when she won a gold medal in kabaddi, and she is much acclaimed for her riding skills in kabaddi. Skills in kabaddi. Her Karnataka State Police Sports Promotion Board says that about this Usarani, they are saying that despite a well-paid job, Usa participated in national events every year without a miss. She is an expert in giving leads, riding opponents, and consistently playing a prominent role in the Indian Kabaddi team. So now she is a police officer. If she could able to think that she is getting money from police officer job, but she did not give up the kabaddi. She not only a just player in the kabaddi team, continuously she was participating national events every year without even missing a single event. And as well as she was expert in giving leads, raiding opponents, and consistently playing a prominent role. That means very very important role, not as a substitution part or just as a player in the team. She was a prominent role in the Indian Kabaddi team. So now Usha Rani is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal. Her her biggest ambition is she want to attend Asia games, as well as in 2018 she wants to join and she wants to win. So she had also become a role model to her brothers and sisters at home and other fellow sports persons. So that was her biggest dream, that she wants to um, participate in Asian games in 2018. So if now 2020, if we want to update and see that what happened in 2018 Asian games, so we can say that she won the silver medal. So Usha Rani, our kabaddi Indian kabaddi team had won silver medal. That means it's second place. Gold medal is first place and second place is silver medal. So she got silver medal. So for now, I want to say that it's not very easy. In the first sports star, we have learned that how to be shown identity. Even she could able to change the whole world's men's attitude towards the women, as well as she was an inspiration to everyone that she could able to play cricket, because um, such a role she had made it. As well as today Usha Rani, she is, even though she doesn't have any basic needs in her childhood or in her family, but she could able to achieve a lot. Even after getting a government job, she could able to achieve more, because she is also an inspiration, and she always keeps prominent role. As well as she fulfilled her mother's dream, which, and as well as she's a great model. Maybe mm, she we don't know what is her dream in her life, but she fulfilled her mother's dream and became a sports star. So lot of things to learn from Usha Rani. So thank you all once again for listening to me. So we will see with the next sports star. Thank you.